In this video, I'm going to be resawing a pretty big piece of wood on this bandsaw. But before I get into details, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you know when I make new videos. And if you help me out like this, it's going to help me to make more videos like this and keep the channel going. So thanks very much. Now, it's a 6x6 we've got. It's a 4x6 we need. And I'm going to be using this 14-inch Rikon bandsaw to resaw that big hunk of wood. I recently got this saw in my shop. It's a very impressive machine. I mean, it's 14 inch. There's lots of 14-inch bandsaws around, but this is extremely heavy duty. I've got a 5/8 inch wide resawing blade on here. So let's fire this thing up and see if it can maintain a straight cut and give us a nice 4x6 when we're done. Well, that went really well. I figured it was going to do a good job, but I didn't know how fast and accurate it was going to be. That's a really nice result, and certainly one of the more heavy-duty things you can do with a bandsaw. So really like that Rikon 14-inch.